So most of you know this is my favorite set of wheels that I've ever had. It's been tough to try to get used to them and let them get old, but I think they've gotten to that point where I'm ready to move on to something else. So if anybody wants to buy them, I was going to sell them for about $10,000, but I've been driving on them for a month or two now, so I can sell them for around $85,000. If anybody knows anybody that's serious about it, just give them the shop number. I'll be here every day. It's 28x16 Amani Arlos with 38/16 50/28 Fury MTs. Tires are probably 95, 98%, something like that, in between. There's no chop on them or anything yet. About time to do the first rotation. So if you're interested, just let me know. All right.
Mine line up.
Mine's good.
McGaughys traction bars going on. We had to custom cut the bracket because this truck is a Denali and it has the factory steps on it. The McGaughys traction bars do not fit with the factory step on the truck, so you have to modify the bracket. Everybody. Man put 30-inch wheels on a Silverado 1500. Now, haters gonna hate. I guess that's what you say. The wheel brand is not a JTX. It's an X-Mutter, which is a cast aluminum wheel. Normally in the truck game, that would be considered a cheap wheel, but if this is cheap and cheap looks like this, then cheap me up. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. .42 16 50 30 Fury MTs, of course. Favorite tire. This is a 30x16 extreme mutter cast aluminum. Very, very good price point. I'm not exactly sure what he paid for these because he did bring them to us, so no credit to be given on selling them, but definitely love that he let us install them. We're also doing some traction bars on the truck too, some chaotics. It's got a lot of stickers. Look at this. Southern Tire back there, Fury, McGaughys. And that wrap, that's voodoo blue. Everything on the truck is voodoo blue. Oh, traction bars are on it. Look. It's an alternative to a McGaughys. Personally, I would normally sell a McGaughys traction bar because it goes straight with that front strut tensioner right there. But on this particular brand, it looks like they've kind of gotten it the same style. They're just a little bit longer. And a lot of people seem to like the longer traction bar better. If anybody knows me on the channel, I'm not really a traction bar guy to begin with, but there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, obviously everybody's truck can be different. It's all customizable. He has blue on the control arms here to match the McGaughys kit. He's done some custom logoing too, looks like. It's really cool. Front cross member. He's got the blue rivets on there. Accents on this one are like a really dark gray color, which is cool contrast from the black on the lift kit. Huge. Mikey got a new Tahoe. He had the 2006 there for a while, 26 by 16s on it, and just got rid of that. Just got this one. It was already wrapped like this. He went ahead and put wheels and tires and a little small lift kit on it a couple of days ago just to put him in the game, as he says. It's got potential. Yo, girl. No real updates with the Tahoe right now. Everything's kind of running the same as it usually does. Hadn't had any issues. Took it on the road trips. I took 5 road trips this year. Hadn't had any mechanical issues, luckily. My bad. A work in progress. They've got most of the McGaughys kit on already. The gloss black radius arms. Got the factory wheels in the front right now still. 26 by 14 JTXs are on. This wheel is called the Inhibitor in a gloss black. He got the silver branding on the wheel, which I think is really cool. It's a different look compared to what everybody else gets in the all black. It ought to turn out really, really nice. Little build from the last video coming back for his retort. About 500 miles. We go over the lift kit and everything, just make sure it's all tight, make sure everything's good and settled. This one will probably need no adjustments, just turn some bolts tight. That's it. Everything should still be tight. Got the finished product today. 2022 Ford F-250. This is the Lariat model. It's got black color trim matched. Looks really nice. He went with an all gloss black JTX wheel. I talked about it earlier in the video. 26x14s look great on this truck. We usually do McGaughys kits on Chevys more than Fords, but they do make a really nice Super Duty kit. Check it out. Faceplates turned out really good. It looks really, really close to like the GM kit. I like it. I don't think McGaughys made a steering stabilizer for the front. So on this truck, what we did was striker with Fox shocks. Got a light bar in the grill there, or in the bumper. This is called the Inhibitor from JTX. It's a new 2023 wheel. One thing I learned about JTX wheels is if you go on their website and look at their designs, all the way at the bottom of the list is new. So if you want to see the new stuff, scroll down. If you want to get a price on a build like this or anything like that, just give us a call at the shop. It's 678-994-9180. This truck, I wanted to give a shout out to a regular customer. Her name is Lucky. Just 42-inch tires on 24-inch wheels. Right now, what she has is 10 to 12-inch Cognito lift. A little bit cranked with the coilovers. It's got the Fox coilovers, very expensive on those shocks for sure. So she's about 12 to 13 inches on the suspension, and we just did the 3-inch body lift to make her between 15 and 16 inches of lift. This is a like 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. One of the biggest 1500s I know of around here, this body style.